Making Daddy's birthday cake featuring an old family recipe that I'm modifying based on the ingredients that I have. Look how cute this apron is. I found it on Amazon for my son. He loves his planet. So our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients to the bowl. All right, next we've got, we already put in a teaspoon of baking powder. Next we're going to put in a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda. All right, next it calls for a teaspoon of cinnamon, but I don't have that, so we're going to use a teaspoon of ground nutmeg and pumpkin pie spice seasoning that I made. Do a little bit more. There you go. Now put that in. Good job. Pumpkin pie spice. Put that in. A little bit more. A little bit more. All right, do one more small one. There you go. A little bit of salt. There you go. Just like that. Stir. Nice stir, please. Nice stir. There you go. Stir it. All right, let's move on to the wet ingredients. Put the oil in. Oh, gosh. All right. Gentle. What happens when you have fun?
Do it.
I'm dropping stuff too. Next, the recipe calls for eggs, but we have 3 cans of applesauce that are from our baby food stash that nobody ever ate. Go ahead and put it in. Just dump it in, and scrape it out with a spoon, just like this. Good job. Scrape it out. Dun, dun, dun.
I want to do it with a spoon.
Oh, okay. There you go. Okay, that's good. That's good. Splattering all over the place. Go for it. You want to do it? All right. One more can. Next we have peaches. The recipe calls for apples, but I actually done this with peaches in the past, and we find that we like it. I think it's about 3 cups. I just opened it. You like it?
Yeah.
I just opened 2 cans of peaches. All right, and last but not least, I've got some homemade vanilla. We need 1 teaspoon of that. And now we are gonna, I'll let my son mix it. All right, can you mix it for me, bud?
Yeah.
Make it all nice and mixed together.
I want to
Go for it.
mix it.
The spoon in here. All right, I'm gonna dump the wet in with the dry. Oh, can you scrape it all out for me, bud? Scrape all the sugar out. Look, there you go. Get it all done. Good job. All right, now. All right, so bake at 350. All right, I'm gonna spray my dish with some cooking spray. I might have to use another one, I'm not quite sure yet. It looks like a pretty thick batter. No, not this, but this is just olive oil. All right, it all fits. So now all right, so we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 50 minutes, and then it should be done. It's done. It's cooled. Because it was a little bit thicker than normal, it did take some extra cooking time. I think I cooked it for 1.5 hours instead of an hour. But overall, it's good. It looks good, and I can't wait to give it to Daddy later. Here it is with some pink candles. It's all I had, but I've got three for 33, because I don't have 33 candles on hand.